Making money online has always been my desire ever since I was young. I've tried things like forex trading, crypto mining, network marketing. I've tried forex trading where I lost a lot of money as a student, and it has been very, very, very terrible. I've tried crypto mining where after spending months mining, they said I should pay a withdrawal fee. So I stopped mining. I know the same thing with airdrops. Airdrops too. I don't know what's wrong with that one, but I had people are crashing out for. It's not for me. Until 2022, when I landed on a video on YouTube. It was an Imangazi video. If you know Imangazi, fine. If you don't know him, no problem. He's a YouTuber that shares tips on how to make money online and how to start building a business. Because that was how he started. He started at 17, just about the age where I was. So I said, why not? Then I picked one of the skill, video editing, and I started learning to edit videos. And straight up, I went to Upwork platform, created my account as soon as possible. I went to pitch a client. So on Upwork, before you get to message the clients, you have to apply for the job first. So I went on YouTube, searched how to apply for jobs, got a cover letter template. For those of you guys that know Upwork, went, applied for the job, and the client messaged me and said, okay, do you have a portfolio? Have you edited any video for anybody before? So I was like, no, I've not edited any video before, but believe me, trust me, I can do this work. Just like, why? Well, I don't know. In favor of God helped me, and she gave me the job, and I did work, and it was full of errors. But at that time, I felt the work was 10 out of 10. But now I know it was full of errors because I know better now and I can do better. So at the end of the whole matter, she paid me. She paid me, I think, $25. I made $25 in my first month by learning video editing. And ever since then, it has only been forward and upward only. Now as I speak, I've made over $7,000 from Upwork alone. And I also made money out of Upwork through different platforms and other things, YouTube channel here and there. So what am I saying? Making money online is not the thing you do. It's basically a skill you learn. So I encourage you, if you are young or old, go and learn a skill. You can learn copywriting, you can learn social media management, you can learn video editing, you can learn graphics design. There are simple skills you can learn for free these days. Or you can also get a paid course where they layer everything for you step by step and you can fast track your journey. So I encourage you, no matter where you are today, you can make money starting from today. If I can do it, you can do it too. Very, very possible. The title of this video said how I went from broke to making 100k online. It's very true. I went from broke to making 100k in like 3-4 months from Upwork. Yes, these days if they pay you in dollar now, I convert your dollar to naira, you know how much that is. For example, you do a job and they pay you $20 for editing one video per se. Pay you $20 for editing one video. I convert it to Nigerian naira now. Probably maybe as we speak now, $1 is 1,500 naira. So 1,500 times 20, that's about 30k for one video. And that video will just take you less than 24 hours to finish it. So you say, as a student, you can be able to sustain yourself. That's what I did. My parents don't pay my school fees anymore. I pay my school fees myself. I fund myself. I got a lodge for myself outside school. I don't stay in the hostel, especially if you're in Nigeria and you understand what I'm talking about. So I encourage you, learn a skill. And most of these skills, you don't even need to. You don't need a laptop for it. You can learn it with your phone. You can go on Canva and start learning designs. There are some people that do amazing designs with only Canva. Some they do designs with their phone. Some they learn video editing just with their phone on CapCut. And they are making money online. I'm telling you the facts. Even now, I'm recording this video with my phone. I don't have a camera. But this video will end up getting views. Why? Because I just took action with what I have. You can see there's no professional setup here or anything. Yes, probably by the grace of God, it's going to come in the future. But again, what I'm saying, so start where you are. Start now. Take action. That thing that's been in your mind, start now. Start learning. For those of you that might want to learn video editing through CapCut, I'm currently working on a course right now to structure everything for you. How I went from broke zero to making $7,000 on Upwork alone. So if the course is ready, you can check the link in the description. I would have dropped the link. If it's not ready yet, just subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. So I'm encouraging you. If you forget anything, don't forget this one. Making money is not a thing you do. Stop looking for money. It's a skill you learn. Learn the skill, become valuable, then you attract the money to yourself. So thank you so much for watching. I encourage you to click the subscribe button and I will see you in the next video. God bless you.